Hey guys, I'm back with another Sugarbox unboxing video. This month's box is Parisian Summer Edition. The first thing I get my hands on is the info card. Next is a stacker jewelry box, quite travel friendly and lovely color with pretty little things written on it. Next item is this beautiful off-shoulder top. Good material, lightweight and perfect for summers with bold flower print on it. Then we have a round sling bag with adjustable strap. A truffle chocolate. A belt. Then I see a plum peppermint foot scrub. I have no idea about this product. I shall review after trying it. The last item are these super cute earrings. There was an offer this month as per your subscription date. I subscribed between 1st to 5th and I got this lipstick holder. Maybe the others have got something else depending on their subscription date. So this was my quick unboxing video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.